Have a good one guys. Ngayon, nagluluto ako ng lasagna. At yan, pinapakuluan na natin. At igisa natin yung garlic, onion, at saka ground beef. At saka lagyan natin ito ng tomato paste. At yan, nilahalo na natin yung noodles. At after nito guys, lagay lang natin sa baking tray. At ngayon, magagawa tayo ng white sauce with Nestle cream at saka lang guys, ibap at lagyan natin ng cheese. At ayan, after nito, ayan, mix lang natin at lagay na natin ito pang white sauce per toppings. At ayan, ilalagay natin sa oven ng 15 to 30 minutes lang natin ito ibibig. At ngayon, tinitimpla ako ng chicken wings para lang ito guys, iprito natin. Lagyan ko lang ng ground black pepper at saka salt. Ayan, dapat brown yung pagpiprito natin guys para mas masarap at crispy-licious chicken wings talaga. At ayun na guys, ganito lang kami dito. Minsan nagluluto para hapunan. At ayun, at masarap talaga to guys kasi lang, salt at saka ground black pepper lang ilagay para simple lang yung lasa niya pero masarap na masarap. At saka ayan na guys, luto na. Let's eat with crispy, delicious chicken wings and creamy lasagna. See you in my next video. Bye!